This is you. You've been working for a few years now, and with that comes the ability to save. So you start buying stocks. You feel good about yourself because it's green. The stock market's going up to all-time highs. And the smart individuals on your feed are shouting bullish. Definitely nothing bear related because somehow that is bad. Then you decide to buy some gold because hey, gold always goes up. And you bought a little bit of silver too because yours moving. Now you're all set. Surely nothing could go wrong. Right? The gold and silver prices crash. And somehow it's because CME Group, I don't know who that is, raised its margin requirements, whatever that means. So it crashed and you decided, I'll pivot my strategy and put everything into US stocks because it's already green. So surely nothing could go wrong this time, right? Bam! War. Operation Epic Fury. And as if the tariffs weren't enough, the market has to deal with War 2 now. You check your portfolio and everything's red. You think to yourself, if stocks crash, at least my metals will moon, right? And they did. They go up a bit as oil spikes past $100, but then they stall. You keep waiting cause it's still below your entry price, thinking that as tensions rise, they have to go up, right? Instead, they crash too, cause every other investors are selling everything just to cover their margin calls and losses. You think to yourself, surely this recover once the war fades, right? But then, a random strait which you've never heard before suddenly gets blocked. And somehow that means the oil prices are screaming and the global supply chain is choked, which again, market does not like. Okay, this will still recover, you think to yourself. But then the March jobs report drops, which usually is fine, but it's one of those rare, terrifying moments where jobs actually decrease. Analysts were expecting a 50k somewhat jobs increase in February. Instead, the US lost 92k jobs, which the market hates also. So now you're hopeless. Hopefully, this could bring you a bit of comfort, but it's the same for you as it is for me and the rest of the world. It's a bad day for the average person just trying to get ahead, but at least you're not alone this time because it's not just you. It's the Kospi, the Nikkei 225 is also having a bad week or month. And let's not talk about Bitcoin. And hey, hopefully you weren't the one who constantly plays low-risk bets on Polymarket that the US wouldn't strike Iran only to lose $6.7 million in a single day. Now, we know you aren't making stupid parlays or gambling your life away. You just made investment choices that turned out to be a bit unlucky. Let's just hope the market finds a path to happiness, and let's also hope the orange-haired man stays off social media and that oil prices don't hit $185. Because if they do, I honestly don't know what comes next.